Today is Saturday, February 22nd, and usually I take Saturdays to just take a break from the charts and everything. But right now we are not profitable yet, and we are down on the funded account as well. So what the fuck? So um um I just can't sleep not being profitable and losing these trades and everything. I just can't sleep doing that. So what we're gonna do is I've spent the last 2 to 3 hours trying to come up with not come up, but trying to backtest a good strategy that actually works, and I'm pretty sure I found it. It's pretty simple, and everything should be simple so that so yeah, as you can see, we are $488 down on the funded account, but that's all right. That's all right because I found it. I found the trick. And if you guys are new to trading, you guys can try to copy me or do anything. Even though I'm not profitable, I know you guys shouldn't even copy me at this point. Just do your own research. But if this helps out, then I'm glad. And if you are advanced into trading, then just let me know if you have any recommendations. Can't say that word. Recommendations for me. So yeah, we'll see. We'll just jump into like Thursday, let's say. It's a simple strategy. It's mostly, you guys know about higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then lower highs, and then lower lows, and lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You guys know that, right? So essentially what we want is that same thing to happen. But yeah, so we can see it in the higher time frame. We are in an uptrend. We have lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, and then higher highs up here and lower lows. So essentially we're going to be coming up to these highs over here. On the 4-hour, we have this 4-hour fair value gap here. So this is just an example of what I would do. And we have all of this right here. And then on the 1-hour, yeah. Okay, so after we do that, we're going to go into the 30-minute market open. And you guys know that market conditions have been shit, right? Like for example here. We're not even in market open yet. Okay, so we have, let's do one more. So we're going to go ahead and take this off and then see what we can see from here. We have this hourly fair value gap. And then we also came down, failed to take out these highs. So I'm thinking we're going to keep going higher. If we move here, we came into this 4-hour fair value gap and actually filled it in. So let's go into the 5-minute. So after filling it in, what we do essentially is wait for a break of structure, a 5-minute break of structure. And after that happens, we go into the 1-minute and wait for a 1-minute break of structure or confirmation or anything like that. As you can see here, we have this 5-minute fair value gap that respected. So we're going to wait for market open. Okay, no break of structure yet. Okay, we came back into this 4-hour again. Okay, break of structure right here. All right, break of structure right there. So now what we do is go into the 1-minute. Go into the 1-minute and look for the same thing after this candle. So we're going to look for either a break of structure or a retrace into this fair value gap here. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we came into this fair value gap here. So that should be good enough to trade. I'm pretty sure. Actually, no, we're going to wait for a break of structure. Nope. Okay, no break of structure yet. No break of structure yet. Okay, we came into this 1 minute fair value gap down here. No break of structure yet. Okay, we got a break of structure here. But honestly, yeah. So we're gonna go in, stops below here, either down here or here. And then we're gonna go ahead and target. Well, this is pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. But if we go with the fib, let's see. If we go in the fib, let's see, where's it at? Fibonacci right here. So if we go from here to here, it's the other way, sorry. If we go from here to here, we just simply look for the 2. So over here, so it'll most likely go all the way up here. But we're simply going to leave it at 1 to 2 risk reward, okay? Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's see, what if we do it from this way? Here to here. Okay, yeah, we can just target this, the fib right here. All right, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna buy 1 contract, stops below here, so we're seeing 560, and we're gonna take profit up here. So let's see what would happen. I think it's gonna stop us out. Yep. Okay. So after it stops us out, I've backtested this a lot of times, and then this is the first trade that it ever actually failed. So that's only one trade that failed out of a lot. So we're gonna simply wait for a break of structure here. Okay, right there. Oh, I went too far. Okay, so we would go in here as well, stops below here, and then targeting the same fib, which is all the way. Okay, we're just gonna target this for now. So we're gonna go in, buy, stop loss down here, and then take profit up here. Let's see. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. So let's see how it would play out. Oh, did I not go in? What the fuck? Hold on. I don't know why it didn't work. We're gonna cancel that. Add one more. Okay, go in, stops below here, 460, and then take profit all the way up here. So let's see what would happen. Another thing that I have been doing, so we got another break of structure in here. Another thing that I have been doing is I'm not putting my stops at break even anymore. 1, because sometimes it wicks us off, and then 2, because it's not, it's either I win or lose the trade. So we'll see. I actually don't remember this day, to be honest, but we'll see what happens. Okay, should stop us out then. Damn, it was that close. Just stop us out. Okay, well. Damn, okay. Yeah, so this day was, pretty rough. Pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. I could have targeted these highs because I knew they were going to be taken, but I don't like the risk reward on that. So, yeah. This is just one day that wouldn't actually be good. So, we'll see. Let's go to a different day. Let's go to a different day. Let's see. I'll do Monday 6th. Okay, Monday. So we are looking bearish because we are actually, because we took out these 4-hour highs and then took out these 4-hour lows. So we're actually bullish now. So we're bullish, and then we're going to mark out these equal lows, and we have this whole fair value gap over here. So go into the 30-minute, mark out our market open, 9:30. Okay. Market arm, sorry. Yep. So here we have the same situation. We are in this 4-hour fair value gap. So we'll see how it goes. Market opens. Okay, waiting for a break of structure. Okay, there it is. Break of structure into the upside. So we go into the 1 minute. And we either wait for a retracement into this fair value gap here or this one down here. Okay, we came down here to this fair value gap. Now we wait for price to go up. Okay, so we have this fair value gap. If we invalidate it, we'll be looking to go higher. Okay, so it's looking like no trading day for this one. What time is it? Okay. We wait for price to invalidate this. Just taking forever. Taking forever. Okay, there it is. So we get a break of structure here. Break of structure. So then we would go in here. Go down there. And then just target the end of this fair value gap here. I think so, right? Or what else can we target? Yeah, it would just be that. Either, yeah. So we go in, buy, we're gonna stop loss down here, take profit up here. Let's see. Honestly, these market conditions are not good at all, but I don't know. Trade looks kind of nice, I guess. We'll see. And then we'll leave the stops there. We're not going to move to break even. Okay. We got stopped out for a win of $1,000 right there. So as you can see, this strategy actually works. Something I could have done differently is taking this chain instead of delivery as well. But what I've been noticing is you have to wait for the highest to get broken for them be able to actually count as a break of structure. So then that way you would know actually when it would actually change. So we'll see another day. We'll do one more. We'll do this one, for example. I'm going to 4 hour. So we are looking bullish. As you can see, bullish. We want to take out these highs and then these equal highs. Going to the 4 hour, we have, into the 1 hour, we have these lows, and we are currently in this hourly fair value gap. And actually a 4 hour fair value gap, as you can see here. So what we do is, go into the 30-minute. Mark out price at 0.930. We'll do one more. Okay, and then on the 5-minute, we'll see what happens. So we're just coming out of this 4 hour fair value gap, okay? Okay, we wait for a break of structure. Okay, there it is, break of structure. And then we wait for 1 minute, either we wait for 1 minute. I'm sorry. Yeah, we get this break of structure here. Down here, and then on the 1 minute, we would wait for a retracement up here. We'll see what happens. Okay, tapped into it, and then we're gonna wait for the next candle. Okay, so then we would go in there, stops down there. Okay, 1 second. Stops down there, and then targeting all the way up here, which is kind of honestly, I would I'm gonna do 2 contracts, and then I'm gonna, let's see here, at the 2 or hour mark, I am going to close 1. So here we're gonna close 1. We're gonna do TP1, and then we're just gonna move this up the way up here for runners. So by 2, right there. Stop loss down here. Take profit all the way up there. So that would be a good trading idea that we would do. So let's see how it would play out. Immediately stopped out. Okay, so what we should do is actually follow my rules and wait for a break of structure like I always do. Because here we got a break of structure here. Oh. We got a break of structure and then also a change in state of delivery, which is how I was doing it, but I didn't do it for this one. But now we know that we have to wait for a break of structure, right? So we're going to go ahead. Oh, nope. Select bar. Go ahead and come back here. This one, if it plays out or not, we like this one either way. Buy, same thing, 2 contracts, risking $1,000, and then TP1 right there, and then we're gonna do TP2 right there. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's see. Again. All right, so that would be a losing day. Unless there's like a 5-minute fair value gap here that I didn't see. No, okay. Okay. What is that, news candle? Yeah, so very probable day. But anyways, that is everything. I've backtested this and it actually works. We just have to look at order flow and see where the market's actually going. And yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, the ones I backtested I didn't record, but those were like the big wins. At least I was able to show you just one, at least, I guess. But remember, as traders, we don't win every day, and this is a good strategy. I like it, so I'm gonna stick to it. And I'll see you next week to see how it actually plays out in the actual market. So yeah, we'll see.